I given one scenario. Suppose you have a database server. On that database server, you want to access more than 10,000 records in that server means. So, what is the procedure to access the records? So, disk scheduling is an access. So, the accessing methods are three types, isn't it? Sequential, unindexed, and random access. So, under the accessing, the disk scheduling is one of the method to access the record in the corresponding disk. So, in that disk scheduling algorithm, we have several algorithms to accessing that. So, we have that FCFS and SSTF. So, FCFS means first come first serve. So, the first inserted, first coming tracks are accessed first. In the SSTF means shortest seek time first algorithm. So, based upon that seek time, we are identified. So, which algorithm is the best? So, can you explain anyone what is the FCFS and SSTFs? Which one is the best?
So firstly we see about first come first serve is one of the algorithm in disk scheduling. So disk scheduling is a process of request to access the head movement by using the head movement. So we are given by the some set of request or IO devices request. So basically disk scheduling is a cylinder process. So it is start from 0 to end at 199. So in between the requests are taking place. So in first come first serve, firstly we want to arrange the request in ascending order. So arrange the request in ascending order, then we want to consider about the head movement. So I draw a line from 0 to 199 because my disk is starting from 0 and end at 199. I arrange the request in ascending order. So in disk scheduling, I only consider about head at first. So I firstly point at head and then move to the next request. So they are declared that head is in the 53 place. So I started from 53 and in a first come first serve, we want to consider the first one. Which one is first come and we serve this first. So in my question, 98 is come first. So from 53, from my head movement, I move the pointer to 98. So there is some distance between head to 98. So by calculating the head movement, I want to minus the head from 98. So I use modulo because there is some negative values are up here. So I use modulo function. Then I want to check which request comes next. So next is 123 and I slightly move to 123. And by likewise I add in the head movement as follows: 98 minus 183. And then I want to check which one comes next. 37 and I go to 37 and likewise I minus the 37 also. Plus by considering all this, I want to move all the disk. So I consider all the requests and I completed all the requests and likewise I added the head movement also. So finally calculating all the head movements and requests, I get some values. So this is my total head movement.
So this is the first come first serve algorithms. Next is the shortest seek time first. In that shortest seek time first, we have to select the from the head movement from the corresponding head. So which one is the shortest seek time? That seek track is moved to the next. So now the Shweta is explain the SSTF algorithm.
So let's say about shortest seek time algorithm. So actually the cylinder numbers are given first. So in cylinder numbers they are given that 53 as a initial head movement. So that at first we are assigning them in ascending order. So by seeing that we have to start from 53 only. So next we have to check that left and right side of the pointer. So by subtracting the value from that, so which has the smallest value, we will move to that one. So by taking 53 as initial moment, we will check 65 and 41. So 53 minus 65 and by doing 53 minus 41, which will have the less value, we will move to that pointer. So we have, of course we definitely have 65 as the smallest number, so we will move to that one. Then after we again check, by checking 65, no, the pointer is at 65. So now we will have to check 41 and 67. So by checking 41 and 67, 67 will have the smallest value by subtracting that one. So again we will move to 67. So now seeing that 65 also completed, 53 also completed. So next we will see 41 and 98. So by subtracting 67 minus 41 or 67 minus 98, definitely we will get smallest value for 41. So again we will move that value. So when the value reaches 14, we will check only right side values are left. So it will goes continuously. There are no more left side values. And then we will to check total head movement. So in total head movement, we will check the path like 53 minus 65 and 65 minus 67, so that we will take modulo values, so that negative values will not be appeared. So then finally, by seeing that SCFC or shortest seek time first, we will have a total head movement small for shortest seek time first only. So SST will be the best solution for this scheduling.